What's up, guys? I'm Christian with TireSouth, and this is TSTV. We take you guys through everything you need to know about wheels and tires. Today, we're talking about how to put on a spare. Thanks for tuning in to TSTV, and hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Getting a flat tire just sucks. And hopefully you're not on the side of the road while you're watching this. But if you are, hey buddy, we're here for you.
Come on, would you hurry up already?
All right guys, so first step, you realize you've gotten a flat. First thing you need to do is toss on those hazard lights. Then find a safe area with level ground, and don't forget, always put on your parking brake. If you have a safety bag with safety triangles or tire chocks in it, you're gonna wanna grab those. Last thing you want when changing out a spare tire is your car rolling off a jack. So if you got a flat in the rear, throw that tire chock in the front. And then if it's in the front, throw that tire chock in the rear. Step 2, we're gonna wanna locate your spare tire and your jack. They're normally in the rear of the vehicle. Whoa, whoa, buddy, not that kind of jack. Yeah, but I like your style. We'll keep it for later. Pro tip here, guys. You're gonna wanna loosen those lugs before you jack up your vehicle. So remember, lefty-loosey, whitey-tighties. Wait, what did I say? Those lugs can be really tight, so don't be afraid to put some muscle into it. Step 3, place the jack under your car. Check your owner's manual, because jacking your car up in the wrong spot can really damage your vehicle. The owner's manual will have where the car's reinforced areas are. Step 4, we're gonna jack the vehicle up until the tires are slightly off the ground.
Mom is right. I should do more Pilates.
So using the traditional scissor jack, take the crank handle and put it into the fisheye, and then turn that bad boy clockwise.
Oh, not again.
Step 5, remove the rest of those lugs. Slide off that flat tire, grab your spare, and mount it.
Really? Really, Christian from TSTV?
Hand tighten the lugs before you lower the jack. And remember guys, get them as tight as possible. Step 6, we're gonna take that jack and lower down the vehicle just to where the tires are touching the ground, but the full weight of the vehicle is not on the tires yet. Then we're gonna take our lug wrench and we're gonna tighten those lugs the rest of the way. Remember guys, tighten your lug nuts using a crisscross diagonal pattern. Then, let the jack the rest of the way down. And check the lugs one more time for safety. All right guys, before we get going, make sure you check the air pressure in your spare tire. If it's below recommended PSI, drive slowly to the nearest service station and put some air in it. It's very important to drive straight to your tire technician because spare tires are not supposed to go at highway speeds and they're not supposed to go on long distances. Your tire technician will be able to tell you if he can repair your tire or if it's time to just go ahead and replace it. Hopefully this video helps you figure out how to get on your spare tire. If you have any questions or thoughts, toss those in my comment section below. Or you can hit us up online or come see us at any of our TireSouth locations. We'd love to help you answer your questions and customize your ride for your lifestyle. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'm Christian with TireSouth, and this is TSTV.